Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Here I am exploring Voyager. So I set up an account, I made a small initial deposit, and I'm looking to buy some crypto. Now, here I'm going to be very speculative. Okay, I'm looking for the next Bitcoin, the next um, Decentraland, the next big mover. Right, I'm looking for like 1,000% move. You got these big players, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. Not sure what's going on with that in the lawsuit. ADA Cardano. That's a really good bet for the future. Polkadot, Link. These are all ones you've heard of. So I'm going to sort by price because I want to look for the next up and comer. So BitTorrent. Yeah, I've heard a little bit about it. It's had a huge price increase, and the momentum could be there. It's hard to say. Look over the last month, it's been up and down. Um, but if this goes to, say, 10 cents, goes to $1, that could be really substantial. So I'm going to put a little bit of money into it. I'm going to buy some of this if I can. I know a lot of other platforms don't have these small players like Coinbase, Crypto.com, some other videos that I looked at. Robinhood, they don't have a lot of these small startup coins that we don't really have a lot of history, don't know where they're going to go. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to buy, say, $10 worth. That's going to give me 6,000 coins. I'm just going to buy. Okay, submitted the order. All right. Maximum supply. Proof of stake. Okay, history. So there it is. There's my order. You can see it was filled, executed on March 17th. Awesome. All right. So let's go back to the list. Now, I've not heard of NervousNet, but I have heard of Verge. I've seen a little bit on this. I've heard about it. It's up quite a bit, so I feel okay about that. I want to take a risk on this, so I'm going to buy some. I'll buy $10 worth. Wow, not nearly as many tokens, huh? It's all right. It's a very speculative buy. Haven't heard of these before. Doge. Of course, I have lots of Doge, and I really like it. It's gone up a little bit. We're at 57 now. It's not bad. So I've heard of VeChain. I've tried to buy this before, and it was not available on Coinbase. So I'm going to buy some here. I'm going to buy $10. No, I'm going to buy $20 worth of this one. All right. Digibite, I've not heard of before. Looks like it's been around for a while. It's had quite a big move. So 2,000% change. Too bad I didn't get in on that. So I'm going to buy $10 worth of that. It's worth it. Hope you guys are getting a kick out of me wasting my money here on all these junk coins. We'll see how these turn out in the future. Ripple. Now, you know, Bank of America used to use XRP to move money, and I don't know if they still do, But since the lawsuit was filed, this is a real crapshoot on what the price is going to do. You can see the 52-week low, 52-week high. It's right near the middle. I'm not really sure. But, oh, okay. So evidently the SEC lawsuit is affecting trading on this platform as well. Can't buy it here. So, alright, that's fine. Got some stable coins. Algorand, I like that stable coin. Go check out my other video on Coinbase where I'm getting about 6% interest on that. That's pretty good. Here, not sure you can get any interest on it or not. But check my other video out. Ocean, okay. So, anyway, I'm just looking. If you guys have any other coin recommendations or application recommendations on where to buy these low-cost Bitcoins, looking for the next big winner, let me know in the comments below. And if you want a coupon code to open an account here on Voyager, look below and open an account, and we'll make some money on that straight away. I mean, I just made $25 pretty quick. So, and we can experiment with some coins together. Let me know your thoughts. So subscribe to my channel for some more real investing that I do. Options trading, dividend investing, and then some highly speculative investing, evidently, where I'm experimenting with these smaller DeFi tokens that will hopefully explode up in value. That'd be great. And we'll see how it goes, or it just could be a big waste of money. Like, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take anything I say seriously. Just kind of laugh at me as I lose all my money. So, alright guys, thanks for watching.